How to hide Instagram posts from others on Instagram. I'm going to show you how you can easily hide Instagram posts from others on Instagram. Unfortunately, Instagram offers no feature to hide your posts from someone. Your posts and videos are visible to everyone on Instagram, or at least everyone you've allowed to follow you. If you would like to hide your Instagram from someone, blocking them is easy. Once done, they won't see any of your profile content, nor will they be able to send you any messages. To do that, launch the Instagram app on your phone and access the profile of the user you want to block. On the profile page, in the top right corner, tap the three dots. In the menu that opens, select Block. In the block prompt, choose Block your desired username and select Block. For your Instagram stories, you can choose people who you don't want to show this content. To do that, launch Instagram on your phone and select your profile icon in the bottom bar. On your profile page, in the top right corner, tap the hamburger menu. In the menu that opens, select Settings. Choose Privacy and then select Story. On the Story page, in the Hide Story From section, tap 0 people. On the following screen, find and select the people from whom you want to hide your stories. Instagram will automatically save your changes, so you don't have to do anything, and you're all set. One way to restrict people's access to your Instagram posts is by making your account private. When you do this, only your account followers can see your posts. To do that, launch Instagram on your phone and select your profile icon in the bottom bar. On your profile page, in the top right corner, tap the hamburger menu. In the open menu, select Settings, then choose Privacy and toggle on the private account option. Your account is now private and only your followers can see your posts.